I just wanted to take this time to wish each and every one of you a wonderful Thanksgiving. I hope you're as blessed as I am. And much of my blessing is because of you guys, because y'all care enough to spend your time. Everybody's got so much YouTube time that they want to put in, and you spend your YouTube time on my channel, and I thank you for that. Truly, thank you for that. Just wanted to say there's still time to make some good Thanksgiving pies. I've got 3, I think, on my channel. One is 2 pies. One is a pie crust. So if you'll just, I won't have time to point them out below the video right now. I'll try to do that later. But if you just go to my channel and search pie crust, it's a very easy pie crust you can make from just stuff you have on hand right now, probably. You don't have to roll it out. You don't have to do anything. It works great on like pecan pies and other things. And then there's I do have a pecan pie recipe that's just, I think, pecans and K-row and butter, and that's about it. And cook it. It's just simple, easy, and very, very good, in my opinion. And I am kind of a pecan pie connoisseur. Also, I have one called a lemon pie. Easy, no-bake lemon pie, I think's the name of it. But just search lemon pie, pecan pie, pie crust on my channel. The lemon pie, I'm going to make 2 of them today. One for Thanksgiving tomorrow, and then my family's coming on Sunday for Thanksgiving, and have one for them, I hope, if it lasts that long. But anyway, lemon pie, pecan pie, pie crust, and you got time to make them. They're just easy, easy, easy. You got plenty of time to make them. Okay, again, thank you so much. Thanksgiving is a wonderful time, not just because we get to eat, not just because we get to watch a little football or something like that, because we're blessed in this country. We are truly blessed, and again, you're part of my blessing, and I thank you for it. I could have combed my hair, I guess. I don't know. Could have shaved a little bit. Anyway, thank you. Thank you much, and have a good Thanksgiving. We're gone.